we have here a very unique 2010 BMW Z4 2.5 litres S-Drive. It's unique because of the exterior and interior colour. As you would know, there's not been many produced in this colour combination. It has fantastic BMW LA wheels. It has a full service history. This vehicle has been kept in a very fantastic condition, both inside and outside. It drives as if it just rolled off the production line. We have recently serviced this vehicle, and it's also had a new MOT. This vehicle is ready to be driven away from our forecourt as of this moment. Any test drives and viewings are most welcome.